The 2025 Jeep Wrangler remains a top pick for those seeking serious off-road capability. While it doesn't offer the smoothest ride or most refined handling on pavement, unlike rivals such as the Ford Bronco or Toyota 4Runner, it more than makes up for it with an impressive range of customization options. Buyers can choose between 2-door and 4-door configurations, soft tops or hard tops, and a variety of powertrains: a standard V6, a turbocharged 4-cylinder, a plug-in hybrid, or even a muscular V8. Despite incorporating modern comforts like power windows, air conditioning, and infotainment systems, the Wrangler still proudly holds onto its rugged styling and legendary character, born out of its origins in World War II. Those considering it for everyday driving should test drive first, as its bouncy ride, tight interior, and vague steering may not suit everyone. Still, owners often become part of a tight-knit Jeep community, one that recognizes each other with the famous Jeep wave. What's new for 2025? For 2025, Jeep initially planned to pair the V6 engine only with a manual transmission, reserving the automatic for other engines. However, due to customer feedback, V6 models with automatic transmissions are once again available. The high-performance Rubicon 392 model with the V8 has been discontinued in the regular lineup, but a special Rubicon 392 Final Edition continues for at least another year. In a surprising update, all models now come standard with power windows and door locks. Jeep has also introduced a new color called 41, an olive drab green inspired by the brand's military heritage. Pricing and recommended model. To keep things simple and true to the Wrangler's roots, we recommend starting with the 2-door version, which includes a removable cloth top as standard. For added capability, the Willis trim is a great value. It includes 17-inch wheels, 33-inch all-terrain tires, a locking rear differential, LED lighting, and built-in auxiliary switches for extra gear like light bars or winches. For the engine, the 270 horsepower 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder offers better torque, 295 lb-ft, than the base V6, along with an 8-speed automatic that makes off-road driving easier and more relaxed. Engine, transmission, and performance. The standard engine is a 3.6-liter V6 producing 285 horsepower, available with either a 6-speed manual or optional 8-speed automatic transmission. That automatic comes standard with both the turbocharged 4-cylinder and the plug-in hybrid, 4xe, and V8 variants. The Rubicon 392 Final Edition houses a 6.4-liter V8 engine pushing out 470 horsepower, paired with the 8-speed automatic. The 2.0-liter Turbo 4 delivers 270 horsepower, while the plug-in hybrid produces 375 horsepower. Most models come with part-time 4-wheel drive, although a full-time 4WD system is standard on the Rubicon 392 and available on the Sport, Sahara, and Rubicon trims. Handling has improved slightly, but the Wrangler still drives more like an old-school truck than a modern SUV. Ride comfort is better in the longer 4-door version, while the 2-door has a choppier feel over large bumps. (0 to 60 miles per hour times). In testing, The base two-door sport model with the V6 and manual transmission reached 60 miles per hour in 6.1 seconds. The four-door Sahara with the turbo four-cylinder took 6.5 seconds, while a four-door Rubicon with the same engine needed 7.1 seconds due to its added off-road hardware. The Rubicon 392, however, rocketed to 60 miles per hour in just 4.0 seconds, making it the fastest Wrangler ever, though its unrefined steering makes that speed feel even wilder. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. In a segment dominated by gas-hungry vehicles, the Wrangler manages to lead. The turbocharged four-cylinder model achieved 26 miles per gallon in real-world highway testing, 2 miles per gallon better than the EPA's estimate. Meanwhile, the V8-powered Rubicon 392 returned just 13 miles per gallon. Full EPA ratings and updates can be found on their official website. Interior, comfort, and cargo space. Inside, the Wrangler strikes a balance between retro styling and modern utility. Its high seating position offers excellent forward visibility, though rearward views are obstructed by thick pillars and roll bars. Thankfully, the top and doors can be removed for an open-air experience. The cabin features a tall, flat windshield, a narrow dashboard, round air vents, and chunky physical controls for climate and windows. Cargo space is adequate for daily errands, but the rear seats don't fold flat, and the two-door model offers limited room, just enough for 2 carry-on bags behind the back seats. The four-door unlimited version, however, fits up to 10 carry-ons. Infotainment and connectivity. Regardless of trim, the Wrangler now includes Jeep's Uconnect 5 infotainment system, which is fast, user-friendly, and displayed on a 12.3-inch touchscreen. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard and wireless. Additional features include integrated navigation with access to over 3,000 map trails, with subscription, plus active noise cancellation to quiet the cabin while taking calls on the go. Safety and driver assistance features. While the Wrangler doesn't offer a wide array of advanced driver assistance tech, especially given its price range, it does provide some helpful features. Optional blind spot monitoring, optional rear cross-traffic alert, optional rear parking sensors. For detailed crash test ratings, visit the NHTSA and IIHS websites. Warranty and maintenance coverage. Jeep's warranty coverage is comparable to most competitors, offering the basics without anything particularly standout. However, buyers do receive complimentary maintenance for the first 2 services. Limited warranty, 3 years/36,000 miles. Powertrain warranty, 5 years/60,000 miles. Complimentary scheduled maintenance, 2 visits.